Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and I'm back with my dad because this brand sent over this melting furnace so we could check it out and see what we thought. They did compensate us for this video, but if you've ever wanted to melt and refine your own metals at home, whether it's for like jewelry making, scrap metal, recycling, or just like a DIY casting, this electric melting furnace has everything you need. So it comes with gloves, goggles, tongs, two graphite crucibles, four different molds, and of course the actual 1600-watt melting furnace itself. Setup was super easy right out of the box. You just plug it in to a normal wall outlet. You set the temperature that you need it for. The instructions do say what temperature is best for which type of metal you're wanting to melt. And then we were good to go. There was no need for any kind of fuel or any kind of open flame, which made it seem a lot safe and beginner friendly, especially for like a home DIY kind of thing. One of the best features that we thought was the precision temperature control, which monitored and adjusted the heat in real time. We decided to try it out with some aluminum first, and this thing really packs some power. It heats up to a maximum of like 2100 Fahrenheit. So it can definitely handle gold, silver, copper, aluminum like we are doing, and more precious metals. Once it reached the right temperature, we just placed the metal in the graphite crucible, we closed the lid, and we let it melt down. It did take a little while to heat up. We just kept a note on, watching the temperature, and then we would check the cord to make sure it wasn't getting too hot, just like the instructions told us to do. The horizontal design makes it easy to access, and it does include tongs, so you don't have to worry about touching anything, and you definitely want to use the gloves. Now for the fun part was the casting. Whether you're refining scrap metal, creating jewelry, or making just a custom bar, the included molds let you shape your metal however you want. And after a few minutes of cooling, because it was super, super hot, you've got solid metal bars ready to be polished, sold, or repurposed, or just like for my son to take into school to show his teacher for his science class. It really is such a cool thing to do. So if you're into metalwork, jewelry making, or just love DIY projects out in the garage with your dad like I do, this melting furnace is a complete game changer. It's powerful, beginner friendly, and comes with everything you need to get started. It's definitely worth checking out.